I'm scheduled for cataract surgery, so I'm doing a whole playlist of videos all about it. Hi, I'm GloryB, and I'm scheduled for cataract surgery. So I just wanted to come in this video first, the very first video of the playlist, and talk about what I know so far. This is actually 2 weeks before the first eye. So my doctor doesn't do both eyes on the same day. I'm going to a large eye clinic where everybody goes. Even after people move away from the area, they still come back for other appointments. So when I first realized something was going on with my vision, I thought it was a complication from LASIK surgery that I had in 1999. But when I went to see the eye surgeon who did that surgery, he's like, "Oh no, you have cataracts." And I was just like freaking out. I was probably 57 at the time when I was freaking out, 57 or 58. And he said, "A lot of people get these." And of course, they see children who get cataracts. So to them, it's not a big deal. So after learning about it, I said, well, why would people wait? I hear for all my life, I'd hear people talking about, oh, I have cataracts, oh, I have cataracts, oh, I have to have cataract surgery. Well, why don't you just go do it? Like, what's stopping you? And I found out nothing's stopping them other than fear. I would like to wait until I'm on Medicare, but I don't want to because I want to be able to see. So when people say they can't see at night, it's driving. It's because any light, headlights, stoplights, any kind of lights get a fuzzy, crystally look around them. Also, as time has gone on, working on a computer is a real challenge. If the colors aren't very crisp, contrast is very, very important. In all advertising copy and all websites. So dark fonts on a white background or white fonts on a dark background are very important. And on my Mac, I have a Mac and a Windows-based PC. On the Mac, they do too many things that are gray on gray. I cannot see that, and small. So yeah, you know who designed that, not someone my age. So in my doctor's case, he needs to see the patient within 6 months of the surgery. So I went to him a while ago, and then time went by and I had to go see him again in order to schedule because too much time had gone by just to schedule the surgery. Now, because I've had LASIK, there's also one other, you could call it a complication, but I do have the option of paying them some amount of money out of pocket. Insurance doesn't cover this piece, to use a particular piece of equipment to read my eyes on the day of surgery, so he can get a really exact read on what he needs to do with the cataract replacement. I'm not even using the right words, but just looking at his own scopes and that is enough. So once you've had LASIK, to me, it was worth the money. I think it's $300 per eye right now, out of my own money, to get a really exact read. So I'm just going for the distance vision. He's not going to be correcting for close up. I'm still going to wear readers for that. But the good thing is, if you've never had LASIK and you need contact lenses or glasses for distance, and then you need to have cataract surgery, they can correct your distance vision as if you had had LASIK. So yay for you all. So what I'm looking at is coming up, there is some pre-op surgical eye drops, and I took a scan of this so you can see what they gave me. And they gave me a separate sheet for the left eye and for the right eye, just to get the dates on there and get, so my surgery is scheduled for January 18th, 2022. So I have an antibiotic drop that I will use 3 times a day, starting 3 days before surgery. I have an anti-inflammatory drop that I'll start 3 days before surgery. That's only used in the morning. And then after surgery, I have a steroid, and they use a particular pharmacy who they think they get the best prices from them. So that pharmacy called me plenty in advance and worked out like what I was going to get based on my insurance. So you can see on there, the doctor circled what he wanted in black ink, and we're getting the antibiotic he wanted, but for the anti-inflammatory, we're not getting the bromsite. We're getting the Cataract, and we're not getting the steroid he wanted. We're getting another one. But those are all options. And they also say, I notice at the top, they say wait 5 minutes between each eye drop. So what I'll be doing starting on January 15th in the morning, I'll put in the antibiotic drop, 1 drop per eye, wait at least 5 minutes, and then I'll put in the anti-inflammatory. And then the antibiotic has a midday and evening. So, and then we'll find out what he tells me. Instructions will be given on the day of surgery. So, and another thing that they gave me, all kinds, I was reading it all finally today, all the different things that they want me to bring, and, or not bring, like jewelry. They want me to bring all of the eye drops. So, okay, I'll be bringing all the eye drops. And they don't put you under for this. So I do have a call into the doctor because, you know, I didn't go under for LASIK surgery. I was awake. They gave me a little pill of some kind, some Valium that I had never taken before, but they gave me some of that just to relax me. But I was awake, and I don't remember with the LASIK them telling me to not eat or drink food as if I was going to be put under anesthesia. So this one says you can't eat or drink anything after midnight the day before. And we're going to try to get a surgery schedule on that day later if we can. But no water. I mean, I'm not going to be put under. So I want to know why. Anyway, it's kind of like going to the dentist. I mean, I remember being in the surgery center for LASIK is like sitting in a dentist chair, except they put you all the way back. So anywho, that was interesting. They also sent me home with a bunch of reading to do on cataract surgery and that kind of thing. Now, one of my concerns was, can the cataracts come back? And he said no. All the doctors say the cataracts can come back, cannot come back. So again, why wait? Now, as time goes by, he said you might get some kind of a, I don't know, blurriness or what have you. But they correct that just in the office with a laser. And he goes, sometimes I just have somebody in the office for a regular checkup. And it's been a few years, well, several years since they've had the cataract surgery. And I'll notice that they need this procedure and we'll just go down the hall and do it. So it sounds easy peasy. So I have all that information, you know, just in case someday, because when your eyesight changes, it doesn't change suddenly. It changes slowly and you don't even realize. Like now I know that I can't see dirt in my house. So I know after I have this done and my eyes are at 100%, well, both of them, I'm going to see dirt everywhere. I'm going to just freak out and be cleaning my house like it's nobody's business. So that should be really interesting. So in the next videos, I expect to be maybe talking about surgery day, and then surgery following surgery day, and how I'm doing. He, like I said, he does one eye at a time. So we're going to do the left eye because I'm right-eyed. So if I point to the camera with both eyes open and I close my left eye, I'm pointing with my right eye. If I close my right eye and keep my left open, my hand's over here. So I'm right-eyed. So that's usually how he does it. If the eyes are pretty equal, he does the eye that you don't favor first and the eye you do favor second. So if you've had cataract surgery, I'd like to know about it. Write a comment below, or if you have it coming up, also write a comment in the comment below. But make sure to go in the description box below the video where I'll have the playlist link, or tap the little eye in the upper right corner. I'll have the playlist link there so you can watch all the videos. And at the end of my video, I can link 2 videos on the right side of your screen. So check out one of those and I'll see you in the next video.